All right. Peace, y'all. What's up? Welcome to Free Will Fishing. We here with Shaka Sabrina, Phoenix the Fisher Woman, and we got Flying Orion in the house today. You see where we are? We're on the right side of the Waikiki Wall, also known as the Waikiki Groin. We're going to go ahead and try to holo holo with this spread and see what happens. Of course, we're going to be safe and avoid the people that are in the water. And yep, yeah.
But we're not going directly to the wall.
No, Orion, buddy, we're gonna go ahead and stay here to the right because you cannot fish to the left over here at all. So let's go.
Why not to the left?
Because it's illegal to fish to the left of this wall.
Okay.
All right. That's the rules. Peace.
Alright guys, before we get right into the action, I want to do my due diligence and make sure that everybody is aware that there's a book called the Hawaii Fishing Regulations, and it's going to tell you about all of the DLNR rules regarding fishing on the whole island chain, actually. And so if you look in Oahu specifically, you're going to see that there's a couple of areas that is either a no fish zone or only fish during certain times of year. Okay, so what you see here is that to the left of where the groin is, you probably can see in the top left corner where it says groin, that all the way from there to the natatorium is basically a marine life conservation district. Okay, so there's no fishing there at all. Okay, now from the natatorium all the way to the lighthouse over in Diamond Head, that is seasonal. So that is the area where you can only fish on the even number years. Okay, so the odd number years, that Waikiki Diamond Head Shoreline FMA, that is actually a restricted area. Okay, so I want people to know that and know the difference in, you know, what that actually says, you know, because a lot of people get confused about it, and, you know, I don't want anybody to be confused about it. And so what it says here for that area is that the Waikiki Diamond Head Shoreline Fisheries Management Area extends from the Eva Wall of the Waikiki War Memorial Natatorium to the Diamond Head Lighthouse, from the high water mark out to a minimum seaward distance of 500 yards, or to the seaward edge of the fringing reef if one occurs beyond 500 yards. Okay, so you see where it says open fishing periods from January 1st to December 31st of even number years. Closed to fishing January 1st to December 31st of odd number years. Okay, so that's one of the things we want to know. Read the details on what you can do, what you cannot do, what kind of equipment you can use, and everything like that, because all of that really matters. It's important to know the rules. Okay, I don't want anyone getting caught up in getting a ticket or having the police called on them, and which you'll see later happens to me anyway. But I want people to, you know what the rules are. It's really important to read and see where you're not allowed to fish and where you can fish. Okay, a lot of people feel that there is no fishing in Waikiki at all during the odd number years, but that's not the case. It's only that Waikiki and Diamond Head Shoreline Fisheries Management Area. That is where your no fishing during odd number years is supposed to occur. But no fishing at all in the Waikiki Marine Life Conservation District. Okay, hopefully everybody gets this straight and understands what this means, because, you know, and I might have to do another video about it, but I'm grateful to be able to teach everybody the rules.
All right. So far, these fish have outsmarted us pretty good. Oh, there they go over there. They're over there.
Oh,
shoot.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, I know.
Holy crap. You see how big they are?
Uh-huh. That's the hole.
Can you get it?
Yep. You want me to catch the first one? You sure?
I'm positive.
Did I miss him? Yeah. Because this thing, I'm not casting right out of excitement.
So one of the things that you'll notice here is that there are a lot of people in the water, right? You have bodyboarders, you're going to have some swimmers. So one of the most important things about this area is not whether you can fish it or not and when you can fish it. It's about being safe and making sure that you're not casting your line straight over to where the people are, and making sure that when someone's coming in on a wave that you see them way ahead of time so that you can actually reel your line right back out of the water. Okay, that is the most important thing about this. Okay, safety first in general, but we always want to be mindful of these kind of things. A lot of times the swimmers might not be mindful of the fact that they were fishermen before them in that area, or the fishermen might come and not be very cognizant of the swimmers. But we can all coexist, and it's really important that we try our best to make sure we're casting, first have good aim, and make sure that we're not casting into an area where, you know, it's likely that somebody can get hooked.
Oh, yeah. That was a trick. Saw him spin around.
Here we go. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Here's an example of having to be really quick with your reflexes and making sure that you reel in that line before that person rides in on that wave. And now, this is just a demonstration also of how you put the bread onto the hook. This is kind of like one of 3 or 4 ways you can put it on. What I try to do is just fold it in like an envelope. Just fold the bread over the hook like that. Smash it down real good in the middle. Kind of leave the ends a little soft so that it doesn't sink very fast, like a dough ball. Now, you can make a dough ball with some species and still catch, but when you're trying to hook kala, it's really hard to, you know, catch them with a dough ball.
Fish on! Fish on! Come on, baby! Come on! You can reel it in! Come on! Come on! Oh, yeah!
It's a wrasse.
Oh, my God! I saw that fish. Oh, my God!
Yeah. Little wrasse. Bite. Oh, it flicked you?
Yeah. As long as it's not a nanui.
Right.
I'll take the wrasse flick.
Yeah, because they don't usually poop. Bye. Woo!
Bye!
All right.
Bye, Russ. Hope you're having a good day.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you.
The small fish. Got it. Yeah. Oh. Nice. Wait. Okay.
That's the same one.
Same kind. Yep.
Oh, not the same one.
No.
Or,
Yeah, ooh, it actually pooped on my shirt. Last time.
Okay. Let me get out the way.
Can I hold it?
No, Ryan, you don't have anything on your hands.
No. Can I hold it by your shirt?
No. I got it. Because I'm trying to take the hook out. There you go.
And then can I hold it with
Here, hold it.
Yeah, that fish drop is on me. I should have definitely brought gloves that day. I was trying to use my t-shirt to handle fish all day. But good thing some of these reef fish are really tough. As long as you get them right back in the water, they'll survive a fall like that. So, not a big deal. And we can kind of laugh about it right now.
Go. Come on, big one. There we go. Big wrasse. That is not what I wanted. I didn't want the wrasse. The wrasse is always getting hooked. Ah. Come on, wrasse. There we go. Woo! Trying to get these really gigantic. Oh God, what a yank! Oh man, they're right there too. All right, see my family back there. Trying to make them proud with this really large fish. It's just, they're outsmarting me just like every time. Oh, big papillo. He's not going to be interested in my bait. Oh shoot. Hooked up. Is my GoPro on?
I didn't hear it beep. Oh yes, it's on.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, a huge humu. Oh God darn it. I don't want that. Oh, it went in the rock. No. Get out of there. Oh, come on. That is not how I wanted that one to end. These things are so stubborn.
Let's switch. You take this one, I'll wait them out.
You sure? Okay. All right, well, lean it down so that...
Do you think the fish might have gotten off the hook and then just had the one wrapped up around it?
No, I think it's still in there. That's what they do.
What am I waiting to see him come out?
No, you won't see him. You'll see the bobber move.
The Bobby do what?
Move somewhere else. Shoot. No, now that's stuck.
It's snagged too?
Yeah, this one's snagged.
Oh, it comes up.
Pull it, reel it. Oh, it got away.
No way.
Yeah, we didn't want them anyway. But thank you, baby. You did it.
I appreciate that.
You did it.
Yeah, I told him that it was okay and he should just go. We didn't want to eat him. Like, listen, if you want to let go of the hook, you can. We don't want to eat you. We don't want to eat you. No. Humu? No. A humu is the stick fish. Yeah, you don't eat those. Oh no, I don't think it's a crime.
No, it's just very taboo.
So, little do we know, at this very moment, someone is calling the police on me for fishing. Not because it's illegal, but because they think it's illegal for me to be fishing in Waikiki. So, any second, they're going to pull up, and you'll see what happens. Huh, bad boys, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do?
Oh, sir. No, actually, it's only illegal to fish from to the left, from the center to the left. I looked at all the regulations because I'm supposed to.
So this is the part where I get to clarify the DLNR rules to the officers. And DLNR stands for the Department of Land and Natural Resources. That's the state of Hawaii. Now, since the rules regarding fishing are regulated by the state and not the Honolulu Police Department, it is natural for even them and the average person to not be clear on where the boundary lines are and everything. But my hat's off to these guys because they were super professional. And of course, they showed up because they were just doing their job, following up on a report of illegal fishing. So they were supposed to show up and tell me to leave. But I was able to use this as an opportunity to really clarify the rules. And hopefully this video clarifies the rules for anyone who had a question about this area.
So I'm throwing out shrimp now.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Well, how you guys doing?
Yeah, good.
That's good.
You
That's
got a
good.
YouTube channel too?
I do. It's funny, we were just talking to them about the YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
'Cause people are starting to recognize me from the channel. So yeah. So one of the things I do is try to make sure everybody knows the rules, you know, because so many people don't know.
Yeah.
So I try to make sure that everybody kind of stays in the know. Yeah.
I didn't know that. So that this whole area was no fish.
That's why the
No.
tour guy was asking if it was Evo side, because on the Evo side you're good.
Yeah, it's an imaginary line, basically.
Right.
And I guess we use that, you see that buoy out there?
Yeah.
We kind of use that as the measure. And so whenever, it's funny because like whenever the wind starts blowing it over, we got to like reel, you know.
Yeah.
So,
Cool.
but yeah, so. Oh, no worries. No worries.
That's why he was asking earlier on the radio. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Sorry. Which side was the
Yeah, I think it's from here to the monument.
Yeah.
Oh,
And then on the other side you can fish that. Yeah, Kaimanas. So yeah, other than that,
Did you say you caught anything else?
well, just a bunch of wrasses I had to throw back, but
Yeah.
you know. Another interesting thing is trying to make sure that, you know, we're sharing the space, so when they come in on a wave, make sure my line's not out there. But yeah. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, it's another humu. That's not what I want.
oh, another humu, bro. What are you doing? What are you doing? Swim?
Yeah.
Oh, why you having that swim?
That's funny. Well, there's a story. I bet you didn't expect to see somebody catch a fish on your shift. Woo! There you
Wow,
go.
that works really good, man.
So we're trying to get the omilus, man.
Sorry, can I see how you have this set up now? Like,
Yeah.
So you just point the buoy?
So I got a bobber. This is called a mullet bobber.
Yeah.
Because the stick will help you know whether something's biting. This is a 10-pound test. This is an 8-pound leader.
Oh, and then you just put these weight line so then it doesn't go down more than that?
Exactly.
But that buoy is fixed to the line?
Oh yeah. It's fixed to the line.
Oh.
See, it's tied on one end, and then it's tied to the other end.
Oh, I see. That's what you do. Okay.
Yeah. For sure. Every once in a while, though, you'll have somebody that they don't know that you can fish this side, and they'll be all mad, like, oh, you're not supposed to be fishing. I'm like, oh, I know, it's okay, I can.
Yeah, he just called. I didn't know that, man. Like, that's what I was like.
Yeah.
I thought that it was the whole thing, so that's what I told you.
Oh, somebody called you guys. Oh, say somebody's fishing.
Yeah. So I just came because I thought that it was like.
Yeah.
I always thought that it was this whole thing. Have you
Now,
got anything
it takes
big
a
here?
few minutes for them to recognize me
just a
because I have a
nice
mask, my
humuhumunukunukuapua'a,
shades, my
like
hair
about
all covered
13,
and
14
everything
inch.
like that.
Oh,
But they
And that's kinda
eventually
like the size
realized
you
that
wanna
not
eat,
only
like
do they
anything 16
recognize
and
me from the
above,
newspaper and from this
like
YouTube
you
channel,
want to try to let them go,
but
they
they're
produce
already
so much
subscribed
more.
to the channel. I mean, how
They're
cool
like,
is that?
you know,
That is
producers
really
at that
awesome.
point.
You know what? I
So
can
it
only
kinda keeps
imagine
the,
the person who
you know,
who tried to, you know, get me in trouble, sitting back
ecosystem
there
going,
somewhere
you
on
know?
the beach behind me,
Yeah.
steaming mad because not only did I
Yeah, that was
not
recently.
get in trouble, but they see me talking
Yeah.
and laughing with the
Sure.
officers and even pulling up a fish while they were there.
Thanks, bro.
Good to see you, man.
All right, good to see you guys, man.
I can't believe somebody called. That's hilarious, yo.
Yeah, like somebody is fishing in YKK. See, I told you this would be an adventure. It's always an adventure at this wall, every single time.
I'm not interested in the kind of adventures I've been seeing today.
So it's the time of day where it seemed like all we catching is wrasses. The omitos have gone away. The collas are still playing cat and mouse. They're not very interested in the shrimp, that's for sure. But if we throw some bread out there again, I'm sure they'll come back out. But yeah, I don't see the omitos anymore. They kind of breeze through real quick. So as you guys saw, oh, no worries, thank you. Oh, you saw that? Omilu trying to attack. Ah, shoot. Small, tiny little papillo, tiniest papillo ever. Tiny papillo, cute guy. All right, there we go. Woo! Good job. There we go. You got him? Yeah, you got him. It's a small one. No, he came off. He was on as of that point, but yeah, all the little wrasses. That's all right. Yeah, whenever you see those guys, just pull them in and recast. That's how I show love. Woo! Ooh, they're over here now. But I don't want you to cross my line, sorry. So try to throw a little bit to the left of where my line is. Nope, you're good. Here we go. Oh. Pull him in. You saw that? Then came in like a shark. You wrapped around the tip and it snapped off. It happens. Yeah.
I am devastated.
When you don't have the ability to go horizontal around,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? That happens a lot. So that's why I'm like being super slow
Yeah.
when I'm about to cast, because I usually am able to just, you know, horizontally go around and then.
Do you want to at least get somebody to get it for us, even if they? Oh,
Free will what?
fishing.
Free will fishing.
Free-
Not
Yeah.
free will.
Yeah.
Yeah, free will.
Is that why you kind of did that play on words?
Yeah.
Free willy, like
No, just my name. My name is Will.
Well, free will was what we all had as humans. So free will. Okay, free will. Well, can I tell you something?
Did you catch somebody's thing?
He's doing that on the board.
Oh, that sounds like a yay! You the
Yeah.
man.
Thank you.
You are the man. You see what he just did? I'm going to talk about this. I cast out because it was wrapped around my whole thing, snapped off, so this was so good. He just fished it out the water from the river.
Oh, there we go. Finally. 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 Oh no. Didn't want that. Ah. Dang humus. All right, Humu. Listen. Please don't get on my hook anymore. Whew. Oh wait, this is a, hold on. Is this what I think it is? What is this?
Is that the fish that you've been chasing?
No, I think this is a pananu. Oh, pananu. Oh man, this is a parrotfish.
Oh, cool.
Or no, it's a red parrotfish. It's a small female. Too small to keep. But wow, this is so cool. This is my first time catching one of these guys. All right, I gotta let this guy go. Woo! As you see, he has a beak on him. Oh, 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 shoot. I don't want him to bite me. That was so close. That was so close. Woo! That was so cool.
All right, time to go.
Did it almost bite you?
Yeah, it did almost bite me.
I didn't think it had a beak until you said it. I was like, oh.
Wow.
All right, guys, this episode was jam-packed, full of action. You saw all kinds of fish. You saw me catch my very first parrotfish on hook and line. You saw just how smart the kala are. You also got a chance to, you know, get some clarity on what the rules are regarding the Waikiki growing area. Shout out to my good friend, the Hungry Fisherman, who also did a video on that. Check his out on his YouTube channel, The Hungry Fisherman. But refer to both of us if you need to, just to make sure you know what the rules are about this area. And last but not least, I just want to let you guys know it's probably a good idea to stop calling the police on people that don't deserve it. If you think it's a fishing violation, call DLNR instead. And all kinds of problems can be avoided by just calling the right agency. But once again, I want to send a huge shout out to HPD and their training academy. We're training these guys on some really good customer service and professionalism. These guys are great. And by the way, I think this clip is hilarious since this is the very second that they realize that they know who I am. Thanks for checking out this episode, guys. Remember to hit like and subscribe. And until next time, I wish you peace, love, and fishing.